price for homes on the market right now in Annapolis is $554,500, and these have been on the market for a median 36 days. It's Friday, January 28th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory is up this week. Not by much, but there are 80 properties for sale, which is better than last week's 78 for sale. However, this is down 45% from last January at this same time, which was 144 homes for sale. Be sure to follow the link at the end of this video to watch this week's Maryland Market Minute for an important insight into what's going on with mortgage rates combined with property values impacting both buyers and sellers. So let's look at what's happened with the inventory since last week's report in Annapolis. 17 homes are coming soon. 18 homes were newly listed for sale, up from last week's 12. 21 under contract, 21 are temporarily off the market, 14 moved to pending, and 12 homes settled over the past week. The highest sale in Annapolis this past week was this waterfront home in Arundel on the Bay for $1,785,000. Rental inventory remains low with currently only 16 properties listed for lease, averaging $2,808 per month, and most are going under application in just 19 days. And if you are contemplating a move this year, get our 2022 home buyer or home seller guide free at www.kineticrealty.inc and click on guides in the menu bar. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report, January 28th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay warm out there. Take care.